I was stressed out.
Thanks for watching this tutorial video, and the next tutorial video will be about how you can add like the clickety-clack of diamond sounds and trains going over the switch. And hopefully this tutorial did help you out, even though it wasn't 3x speed. I don't know why I put it in 3x speed. It just felt right to do that. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video, and Happy New Year's Eve, guys.